Hey guys, Casey Sanguins here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. The sun is shining, it's time to get out camping. Today I want to show you this pre-owned unit that we just got into inventory. This is a 2017 Cougar 24 SABWE. It's a nice little rear kitchen model, great seating, great floor plan. Walk around this side, there's a ton of storage. You got the full pass-through storage. Goes all the way through. It's a very wide door, a lot of space underneath there. All your hookups are on this side right out front. Got the nice slam latch latches. Let's walk around this side. Not a lot over here. You're going to have your typical dump stations, utility shower, furnace, or your hot water heater rather is back here on the back, out of the way. Does have a roof ladder, which is nice to get up there, inspect your roof, make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. This also has a nice pull-out tray on it, so when you get to where you're going, you got extra storage, place to put a cooler. You can also travel with it to keep bikes back there, again, coolers, whatever you have. Let's jump inside and take a look. Like I said, this is a nice rear kitchen model. You got great counter space, very usable kitchen area back here in the back. The fridge, you got a nice big fridge and freezer right next to the door. Makes it very easy to access from inside and outside of the rig at the same time. Great cabinet storage around the kitchen, around the sink. Nice big double stainless steel sink. Moving forward, I love the opposed seating in this coach. You got a nice sofa on this side with the dinette on the other side, on the camp side of the trailer with this nice big window. So even if you're inside playing a game of cards, having a conversation, you can still see out the window and see everything that's going on outside. Up front, towards the front, you've got a nice, very usable walk-through bathroom. Nice big corner shower with the glass enclosure. That is a porcelain toilet, one of the things that you learn to appreciate very much. Moving forward into the bedroom, nice big king-size bed in here. Wow, nice big king-size bed with tons of storage. You got your hanging wardrobes on either side, a nice little nook up front to keep your cell phones, tablets, what have you. Nice open on both sides, the little nightstands. A lot of people really like the openness so that you don't feel as trapped in. Again, my name's Casey Sanguins. This is a 2017 Cougar 24 SABWE. If you have any questions about this or anything else we have in stock, give me a call. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Talk soon.